had 2 babies here. I've had my left knee replaced. I had a shoulder, this shoulder replaced. This shoulder is a reverse replacement. And I've had a couple of back surgeries. And I have been treated like the Queen of the Hill every time. I got really good care. I started therapy about 3 weeks after the surgery, followed through with all of the therapy they prescribed. I did wonderfully well. And one of the things that I've really been impressed with is how flawless the work is between Klamath Orthopedic and Sky Lakes. There aren't any hiccups, there aren't any lack of communication. The doctors are there when you need them. It's been such a good relationship. I've been very pleased. I've got full motion, all 3 joints. You know, I'm able to do all the things I want to do because all of these things have been done. I still hunt and fish and get out and go. We still have a very active, interesting life. It's mostly because the doctors and the nurses, especially the physical therapists, have been able to keep us together, and we've always used Sky Lakes. Yeah, I'm doing all right. And I would have had nothing without the good care I got at Sky Lakes.